Dudzic, and today I want to talk to you about the new product which is received from Rode a couple days ago, and I'm very excited about this thing because that's the new VideoMic ME. That's the microphone dedicated to work with your iPhones and iOS devices. You can use this for so many things, from blogging, streaming videos, or pretty much anything you want. But the way how I'm using is basically I'm doing a lot of documentary of my work, and sometimes I just don't have my big camera with me, so all I have is just my iPhone. So all I have to do is just plug this microphone directly to the lighting port, and I'm ready to go and get the great sound. So anything what you hear today, previously, right now, and after the video, it's come from this microphone. So it's really great device. So if you don't want to shoot video, you can just voice memo, hit record, and you have a great quality. The whole microphone is so small, it's size basically of my chopsticks, what I always carry. So if you have room for a chopstick, you can definitely find room for this microphone. In addition, Rode provide you with the dead cat, where you can easily slide over, and you protect from any wind, and you can stay able to record very clear sound. On top of this, Rode give you this little support bracket at the end when you just basically slide over, and when you plug into your phone or your iPad, it just provide you with extra stability, so you know the mic is not shaking and you're ready to go. So basically it's a great little microphone with a great quality. So hope you like it and enjoy the rest of the samples.